covering almost all the aspects which are given in this book, and you are very interesting in my videos. I'm sure about that because of your comments. So guys, today I'm feeling very well because there's a rain. It is raining today, and the topic we were covering were the homeowners insurance policy, and we had covered a lot in our previous videos. So today what are we going to cover is the standard homeowners policy exclusions. Okay, it will tell us about the exclusions that are in this policy. So let's start our video, and before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so let's start. So what are we going to cover today is the standard homeowners policy exclusion, and it says this policy exclude coverage for flood, earthquake, war, nuclear accidents, landslides, mudslides, sinkholes, etc. Some of these exclusions are discussed below, and you can see there are some exclusions in which there is a flood, which is the first factor, and yes, flood damage is excluded under standard homeowners and renters insurance policies. Okay, flood coverage, however, is available in the form of a separate policy both from the National Flood Insurance Program and from a few private insurers. Additional information on flood insurance can be found on the floodsmart.government website or by calling this number you can see. Next is the for coverage over and above $250 million, 2,50,000 million dollars. Oh yes, that's a great amount limit for the property. And next is the you can see flood damage, and therefore only covers the flood policies that are in this topic. Next is the factor that is not included in this policy, and it is earthquake. Okay, earthquake coverage can be separate policy or any endorsement to a homeowners or renter policy. It is available from most insurance companies. In California, it is available from the California Earthquake Authority, a privately funded, publicly managed organization. As you can say, it is a private organization that is giving you a policy that covers the earthquake damage. And in earthquake prone states like California, the policy comes with a high deductibles. Okay, so this was the coverage of earthquake. And next is the damage resulting from faulty or defective or inadequate maintenance, workmanship, construction or materials. In this we can see defective products can include construction materials, and insurance policy will not cover damage due to lack of maintenance, mold, termite infestation and infestation from other pests. Okay, and it is the policyholder's responsibility to take reasonable precautions to protect the home from these damages. As you can see, there are some exclusion in the policy, so you'll have to take care of yourself, as this policy will not pay you back if there's any damage to your home. So yeah, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and okay, bye bye.